Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grind Wings of Glory. To start, prioritize completing your daily quests. They offer a reliable source of progress. Next, make sure to participate in all available weekly events, as these often provide significant bonus rewards. Finally, joining an active guild can unlock exclusive challenges and group activities that accelerate your gains. Consistency is key for efficient grinding. To optimize your grinding efforts, always use any experience or resource boosts you have during your most active play sessions. Identify and target specific enemy types or zones that are known to drop higher quantities of the resources you need. Also, carefully manage your in-game energy or stamina to maximize your farming time without interruption. Planning your sessions can greatly improve efficiency. For more advanced grinding, explore any in-game automation features that can handle repetitive tasks while you focus on other aspects. Consider trading any excess materials you accumulate for the specific resources you currently need most. Additionally, researching and implementing optimal farming routes can significantly reduce travel time and increase your hourly gains. These strategies help streamline your progress. To truly maximize your gains, it's important to set realistic daily and weekly goals for your grinding sessions. Remember to take short, regular breaks to avoid burnout and maintain your focus and enjoyment. A balanced approach keeps the grind sustainable. And hey, if you're looking for ways to make your life easier outside the game, check the description for a link to some great meal prep containers and other deals. They can really help you stay on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.